Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to increase Roblox ping. First, ensure no other programs are consuming your internet bandwidth or computer resources. A simple step is to close all background applications. Next, always prioritize a wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi for a more stable and faster connection. Finally, regularly restarting your router and computer can often resolve temporary network issues, giving you a fresh start. To further optimize your network, consider the physical placement of your Wi-Fi router. A central location minimizes signal interference and improves coverage. Keeping your network adapter drivers updated is also crucial for peak performance and compatibility. If you consistently experience high ping, it might be time to evaluate your internet service provider plan. A faster connection can make a significant difference. Adjusting your game and system settings can also help. Within Roblox, reducing your in-game graphics quality can significantly lessen the data your computer needs to process and send. On your operating system, disable any non-essential background services that might be consuming resources. If you suspect your internet service provider is throttling your connection, a gaming VPN could potentially offer a more direct route to game servers. For more advanced steps, try flushing your DNS cache. This can resolve outdated IP address information and establish a cleaner connection to game servers. Investing in newer, higher quality network hardware, such as a modern router or network card, can also provide a substantial boost to your internet speed and stability. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. These combined strategies should help you achieve a smoother, lower ping Roblox experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.